So when I was essentially talking about kind of goals and I guess budget and everything else, one goal can be that you want to sell your business, right? So that could be an actual goal. So most of the people that build the business on Amazon to actually sell the business, it's usually about a 3-year plan. So they have a 3-year plan from the time they get started to basically show enough results within Amazon and enough reviews, and then end up selling it in that 3-year time. So that's something that can be actually pretty easily achieved, I would say. And it's not that hard. It's actually probably easier to build the business to sell than to build to actually make a longer term profit. And the reason why I say that is because if in 3 years you built your Amazon business to, let's say the goal was only to do, say, $50,000 a year profit, then you'd be able to sell that probably for about between $150,000 and $200,000, and you'd be able to get that basically pretty easily now. I think Amazon business is selling quite easily. But the reason why I say that is because to build a business, if you had 3 years to build a business, $50,000 a year, you probably find that your outlay wouldn't be that much, and you probably have basically got that outlay back. So you might have outlaid, say, $40,000 or $50,000 initially over that 3 years out of your pocket, but you would have got some of that actual money back. You would have made some profits, and then you can sell it for a lump sum of a couple $100,000. But that's kind of thinking a little bit, I mean, that's kind of thinking average, I would say, in terms of that. But you could definitely build a business where you can sell it for $500,000 or $1 million after 3 years. That's, again, a different strategy or a different plan. But it's actually very, very achievable to do that.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia. With sales, by the way, of over $50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.